Hey guys, so this package is from RL Slimes. His shop is on Etsy, and in total, this came out to be $42.04. The total shipping time was 19 days, which is quite a long time for living in like the same country that it's being shipped from. But everything arrived safely. These slimes came bubble wrapped, nothing was damaged. Surprisingly, with such a long shipping time, none of the clay dried out with it, which is amazing. And everything looked pretty well presented, and yeah. In this package, it came with my 2 purchased slimes, a bag of extras, which include a slime care card slash business card, which is super adorable, I might add. A bag of borax, 2 suckers, and here's just some other stuff that goes with the slimes. So this is the carrot cake in a jar slime. It is a snowfish slime, and it is scented like carrot cake. It comes with this little clay topper that you can put on yourself and mix in. So here I am just playing with the base. It was a little bit sticky, but that should be fixed once I add like the clay in. But yeah, it is super sizzly, and it makes some like great ASMR. Now here I am just adding the clay topper on and mixing it together, and overall this is a really great slime. The scent is very nice, and I really love the texture. It makes some great sizzles, and yeah, I just overall love this slime. If I had to rate it, I'd give it a 5 out of 5. So this is the Ube Waffle slime. It comes with a waffle clay piece, some clay whipped cream, and some drizzle. The base is a thick and glossy slime, and the overall texture, it's a DIY clay slime, and it is scented like buttermilk waffles. And here I am just playing with the base. Now here I am just assembling the slime. So here I am just mixing it together. Overall, this is a really great clay slime. It makes some really good bubble pop. And when you mix it all together, it turns into this tannish color. After the video, I actually enhanced the color a little bit because I wished it was a little more purple. But yeah, overall, this is a great slime. I'd recommend it. I'd give this a 5 out of 5. Hey guys, so this package is from Unicorn Slime Shop. This is my second time buying from them, and I just ordered 3 different slimes, and it came out to be $55.99. The total shipping time took about 7 days to get to me, and all of these slimes came individually bubble wrapped, and nothing was damaged during transit. In the package, it came with my 3 purchased slimes, a little bag of extras, which include 2 Laffy Taffies, some borax, and a slime care card. This is the Baja Blast slime. It is one of his best sellers, and it is a jelly slime, and it is scented like tropical lime soda. So as far as the scent goes, it is scented pretty nicely. I never had Baja Blast before, so I'm not quite sure what it smells like, but I'm guessing this would be somewhat of an accurate smell. As far as the looks of this slime goes, it is so pretty. This is like one of the prettiest slimes I have in my collection. So it makes a lot of really great pokes and bubble pops. It is a nice thick jelly slime. I did add some activator after the video because it was a little bit sticky here. But yeah, overall, this is a really great slime. I would definitely recommend it if you're checking out Unicorn Slime Shop. And if I had to rate this, I would definitely give it a 5 out of 5. This is the Taro Donut slime. It is a DIY buttercream, and it is scented like taro. Now here I am just playing with the base. I actually did play with the base a little bit before I filmed this video. That's why you see like some little bubbles in there. Comes with a super adorable Taro clay donut. now here I am just mixing it all together. So after you mix it together, it turns into this really nice purple color, and purple being my favorite color, this is a very pretty slime to me, and it is super squishy and it makes some good bubble pops. It is also super squishy and very holdable. I really love the texture to this. As far as the scent goes, I don't think it's like an accurate taro scent. It smells more floral, like maybe more like, I don't know, like a flower or like perfume, but it just doesn't smell like taro to me. Overall, I really love this slime. If I had to rate it, I would give it a 5 out of 5. So this is the Melon Milk slime. It comes with an actual melon milk drink, which seriously tastes so good. I would definitely recommend trying it if you haven't. But yeah, it is a school glue thickie, and it is scented like melon cream. It also makes a lot of really great pokes and bubble pops. I would definitely recommend this one. If I had to rate this, I'd give it a 5 out of 5. And it also smells really nice too. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. My favorite slime from this video would have to be the Taro Donut one, but all of these slimes were pretty good. I would definitely recommend both shops, and in the comments down below, tell me which shop you'd like to see me review if I haven't done so already. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!